Good evening, sir. I am Ivan Glenn Agonza from Section S1J BSMT 2. The specific documents required for inspection by Coastal Port State Control and Flag State Control organizations can vary depending on the type of vessel and the annexes under the MARPOL Convention. Documents and records inspected by Coastal Port State Control certificates. Coastal Port State Control inspectors typically examine a variety of certificates to ensure vessel compliance with international regulations, including MARPOL. These certificates can include International Oil Pollution Prevention Certificate, ensures compliance with Annex 1, International Pollution Prevention Certificate, ensures compliance with Annex 2, noxious liquid substances, International Sewage Pollution Prevention Certificate, ensures compliance with Annex 4 Sewage, International Air Pollution Prevention, ensures compliance with Annex 6 Air Pollution International Certificate of Fitness for Chemical Tankers, ensures compliance with Annex 2 for Chemical Tankers International Energy Efficiency Certificate. For Annex 6 demonstrates compliance with energy efficiency regulations. Record books. Ships are required to maintain various record books to document their operations and compliance with MARPOL regulations. This includes oil record book, records oil-related activities and discharges, cargo record book for chemical tankers, records cargo-related activities, garbage record book, records garbage disposal activities, sewage record book, records sewage discharge and treatment activities, ozone depleting substances record book for Annex 6, records the use of ozone depleting substances. Documentation. Coastal Port State Control inspectors may review various ship documentation to ensure compliance with MARPOL, including ship-specific plans and manuals related to pollution prevention, such as the Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Plan and the Shipboard Marine Pollution Emergency Plan. Ships' logbooks and operational records, documentation related to the use and management of ballast water, such as the Ballast Water Management Plan. Documents and records inspected by Flag State Control. Flag State Control organizations conduct inspections to ensure that vessels flying their flag comply with MARPOL and other international regulations. The documents and records inspected are similar to those checked by Coastal Port State Control, but the focus is on verifying the ship's ongoing compliance and maintenance. This may include certificates. Flag state inspectors will review and verify the validity of the certificates mentioned earlier, such as IOPP, IPPC, ISPP, and IAPP certificates. Survey reports. Flag state control organizations may conduct mandatory surveys, including initial, annual, intermediate, and renewal surveys such as required by MARPOL annexes. They will review survey reports to ensure that the ship complies with relevant annexes. Maintenance records. Flag state inspectors will examine records related to the maintenance and inspection of pollution prevention equipment and systems, such as oil filtering systems, sewage treatment plants, and exhaust gas cleaning systems. Deficiency reports. Flag state inspectors will review and address any deficiency reports or non-compliance issues raised during previous inspections. Record books and logbooks. They will verify that the ship maintains up to date record books and logbooks in compliance with MARPOL requirements.